Hello, today I would like to show you another beautiful piece of technology that you cannot see right now. I believe this is from the 84 power supply, which looks like a switching mode power supply. I wasn't expecting to see a switching power supply in the device that I was testing, but yes, this looks like a switch mode power supply. Very nice, very beautiful made, but it make a loud bang, and there was a lot of smoke that was very not pleasant with the electrolyte, and this is what exploded, something that we are very familiar, and this is a AC capacitor, exactly the same model like that one. I managed to find the front, the rest of the case, so I'm going to replace all of them. It looks like this is the age, and they will be failing all together in the same moment, so I'm going to replace all of them. I'm not going to check which one is good and which one is not. Looks like the 84 and 2019 doesn't add up, or maybe it adds up to a explosion. Let's unsolder one of this and see how it's cracking. Okay, I've got my desoldering, and let's try to pull one of these. Very nice lead solder. I missed the time. Very good time. The best time for doing any repairs through whole component. And as you can see, we've got the next one that's going to blow, and you can see the cracks. So this is a good indication. You can take a look. If you see cracking, then it's time to replace. And what would be, it's also cracked. What you have to watch out, it's always good to have a box of different values. They came in a different rating, and this is that X2 in our case, and you have to be very careful and follow exactly that model. This is for your safety. And I believe all of these caps I've got X2 rating, as you can see, and you have to use the online conversion, because sometimes they were using, like in that case we've got a microfarad, and nowadays we are using the, please focus. It would be very nice if you could focus for me, for my viewers. 470 nano, and this is exactly that one. X2 rating. We can use this as a drop-in replacement. Let's take a look. Do we have same? Yes, we have exactly the same raster, the pin spacing, so no problem whatsoever. You can very quickly fix your device. I put two new one, and let's take a look at the exploded one, because that might be interesting. Just take a look. Very good lead solder. I love that. And let's take a look. This is our exploded one. Very beautiful explosion. Very nicely. Looks just beautiful. So yes, that's how it looks like. It will work after replacing, because it was still working even with the exploded one. So I'm going to drop them in, and I'm sure that we can call it a day. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.